Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion. I hope you're fine and I'm doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you twisted French bun hairstyles. To style your hair in a French twist, begin by combining your hair to one side at the back of your head. Then use pins and hairspray to secure it to that side. Next, hold your hair in your hand and twist it in the opposite direction that you pinned it. As you twist, tuck the ends into the tunnel you are creating. When choosing the right twisted French for yourself, consider how much time you are willing to put in. The looks we have pulled together are a mixture of low and high hair skills. Some of them you can pull together in minutes and others may need a little bit more time. One thing is for sure, all of the twisted French bun hairstyles for women over 50 are guaranteed. So guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a look which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor or do it by your own. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles which you want. By saving the picture, I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members.